We're quickly going to show you how to connect the AutoChimp multi-camera remote control from the App Store. If you haven't already done so, please download the app. It's the AutoChimp multi-cam remote. It is available on Google as well as on Apple. You can actually download and install it, and it will load up like this. When you first connect it, it will ask you to scan the QR code or the serial number. Now, the QR code and the serial number are located in many different locations, such as these. You can find it on the front of your box. If you open your box, you can find it on the very first cover inside your box. You can find it on the back of the remote control, or you can find it on the modules themselves. If you should lose or break a remote control, you can order a new one through us pre-programmed to your vehicle. Once you push connect, it will try to connect to the vehicle. It will ask you to use the GPS and the Bluetooth. Click connect. Successful connection will happen immediately. If it is still searching, just wait a moment and it will disconnect if it cannot be found. If you cannot find the connection, it is because something is already connected to the device in the vehicle, such as the factory remote control. At this point in time, if it's connected, you can disconnect it using the disconnect button, and this will swap your connection over. If you have already been using the remote in the vehicle, your connection is made directly to the remote control. You will need to turn your remote control off first. In order to turn the remote control off, you must already be in the camera 1 position, like this, and you press and hold for 3 seconds. You will see the lights flash. This will disconnect the Bluetooth remote. Once that is disconnected, you can then connect the remote from the app. Connection has been made. You can now operate the cameras using the app. There is video guides, settings. Settings will store your serial number so you can copy it for easy use or storage. If you need to use the factory remote again, you can disconnect here, and the device, if you go back to remote, will indicate that it is disconnected. You can then operate your normal remote control in the vehicle.